The Kia Morning 2023 is a car designed for urban living with advanced features that include safe driving technologies, fuel efficiency, and spacious luggage compartments. 2. It has a length of 3,595 mm, a width of 1595 m, and a height of 1490 m, with a ground clearance of 152 mm and a wheelbase of 2,385 mm. 3. The car is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, optimal route guidance using real-time traffic information, and vehicle maintenance services. 2. Kia Connect service offers wireless navigation updates, smartphone-based remote vehicle control, and emergency alerts for a safer and more convenient driving experience. 2. The specifications and options vary with different trims. 2. References. 1. Kia Morning 2023 https://autoboom.co.il/n/catalog/cars/kia/morning/2023 . 2. Morning https://www.kia.com/content/dam/kWp/kr/co/vehicles/pdf/n_score-brochure/n_catalog_morning.pdf. 3. Kia Morning 2023 at price and review. Zigwheels https://www.zigwheels.vn/n/new-cars/kia/morning/at. The 2023 Kia Morning is a gasoline-powered car that is designed to cater to urban travel and city life. The car offers advanced safety features such as collision avoidance and lane-keeping capabilities to ensure the driver's safety and stability on the road. 1. The car's dimensions are compact, making it an ideal choice for city driving. The Kia Connect service provides wireless updates, emergency assistance, and maintenance services, making driving more convenient and hassle-free. 2. The 2023 Kia Morning boasts an innovative navigation system and a spacious luggage area, ensuring an optimal driving experience. Although the pricing of the 2023 Kia Morning is not mentioned in the search results, the similarly designed 2023 Kia Picanto ranges from $16,290 to $20,790 depending on the
Please
trim level.
subscribe us for new video.